Since ancient time, livestock farming has remained an integral component of Indian culture and livelihood. Livestock plays a pivotal role in the rural economy. It offers economic shield and livelihood security to several hundred thousands of poor and landless Indian farmers. Indian agriculture experienced a paradigm shift during mid-1960s through the realization of Green Revolution. However, the necessity to produce more agricultural products has become more intense with the ever-growing population of the country. Currently, the major challenge of agricultural scientists, policymakers and administrators is to produce sufficient agricultural products for over 1.3 billion population of the country, as well as transfer the technologies developed in the laboratories in an efficient manner to the end users. The Farmer First program, Farm, Innovations, Resources, Science and Technology of ICAR aims at enriching farmers-scientists interface, technology assemblage, application and feedback, partnership and institutional building, and content mobilization has been initiated since October 2016. It seeks to provide a platform to farmers and scientists for creating linkages, capacity development, technological adaptation and application, on-site input management, feedback and institution building. 52 projects have been sanctioned during 2016 and 2017 with an outlay of 1,653.60 lakh rupees covering 45,000 farmers. One of the prestigious Farmer First project of ICAR has been undertaken by ICAR National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology, ICAR NIANP, and has been implemented at 3 identified villages, Lakshmi Devi Pura, Timmojannahalli and S. Naganahalli of Dodbalapur Taluk of Bangalore Rural District. Total of 500 farm families has been covered under this project. There is a multidisciplinary team of scientists involved from NIANP, Southern Regional Station of NDRI, Nivedi, NBSS and LUP, and IIHR. Different technology interventions being implemented under modules such as livestock, horticulture, rural enterprises, natural resource management, etc. Through the efforts of the project team, there is a considerable improvement in the income and living conditions of farmers in the adopted villages.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಶು ಪೋಷಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶರೀರ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕೋಎಫ್ಎಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಬೀಜ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೈತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಎಂಬ ಪುಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಹಸುಗಳಕ ಅದರಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೋಗ ಬರದೇ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಹಸುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಗರ್ಭ ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮೇವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಸುಲಭ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಲು ಕರೆ ಯಂತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮೂರವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಲು ಕರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಲು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೈತೆ. ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Farmers have realized the importance of scientific farming practices and are very cooperative in the implementation of various technology interventions. The project team hopes to bring in smiles to the faces of farmers through their continuous efforts.